I'm Robert Estrin, and you're on livingpianos.com with another great American piano. You know, 100 years ago, there were hundreds of piano companies in the United States. Knabe was one of the last holdouts, and this piano was produced in 1972, all original, gentle life, beautiful, sprayed lacquer, hand-rubbed finish. You could see the lines. Just like on a new Steinway or Mason Hamlin, the last remaining American piano companies. And what makes American piano so special, I'll tell you about in a minute. But first, I just want you to hear some music. We're going to start off with the famous C major prelude from the Bach Well-Tempered Clavier, Book 1. And interestingly, this is the first of a huge set of 48 preludes and fugues. And you're probably familiar with this one. So what's so special about American pianos? You know, American baby grand starts in about the $80,000 price range. And you can buy new Chinese baby grands for a fraction of that cost. So what is it about it? Well, the whole methodology is very different. And the benefits are a very wide dynamic range. I'm going to show you what I mean. I'm going to play the beginning of the Military Polonaise of Chopin with a lot of energy. With lesser pianos, you get a crunch, kind of a metallic edge to the tone, but you can put a tremendous amount of energy and still get a warm tone out of a great American piano like Knabe. At 5'2", 5 foot and 2 inches, you wouldn't expect such a sound. It's not only the quality of the soundboard, but it's the shape of the whole tail of the piano that allows for a larger soundboard, much like Mason and Hamlin. So I showed you one side now of opening up and putting tremendous power and still getting a warm tone. The other side is the expressiveness that's possible with a whisper quiet that still sings and an action that's regulated to such an extent that you can take it down, down, down. You think it's as soft as you can possibly play, and you can still play more softly. Listen to another piece of Chopin, the E minor Prelude. Also, gorgeous details in the finish and the furniture, little details that you just don't see in pianos anymore. The original matching bench, which speaks volumes about the gentle care the piano had, because you know that piano benches don't last nearly as long as pianos, and you never find the exact match with the brass furls, not the brass furls, pardon me, the spade leg and the unique shape and the design. There's all these little touches that are so lovely on this piano. So, once again, I'm Robert Estrin. This is livingpianos.com, your online piano store. Any questions, address them to me. I'm happy to help you with any piano questions. We'll see you next time.